This video is not sponsored by Minea. Imagine if you were able to look at TikTok ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and figure out whether or not those ads were getting a lot of hits, likes, and comments, and from those ads and also other spy tools, be able to find products to sell on marketplaces like Amazon. In this video, I'm going to be introducing you to a new tool called Minea. Let's get started. I stumbled upon Minea and I decided to do my own investigation to find out whether or not it would be an appropriate tool for people who sell on Amazon. See, the reason is Minea is a tool that was developed for dropshippers. But of course, e-commerce is e-commerce, and you can utilize a tool any way you like in order to find products, viral products, to sell on marketplaces like Amazon, even in countries like the UAE. Let me jump on the computer and show you how to use Minea. Hold on, before we continue, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you never miss an awesome video like this one. And make sure that you like the video, share it with other people, and while you're at it, leave me a comment in the comment section below. So I'm on the Minea dashboard, and straight away on the dashboard, I'm getting the top 10 winning products of the day as ads showing up on Facebook, TikTok, as well as Pinterest. Now, these are not really for a particular country, those are global. So there is another way where you can check in whatever country that you want to sell in or marketplace that you want to sell in, like Amazon UAE as an example. If we go through them, you'll find these products. Let's check some TikTok. So you'll find that there are various and different products, and you'll see, for example, how many shares, how many likes, how many plays on each and every product. So this is an example of one of the products. This is basically the name of the ad, and the product is on Facebook actually. It could be sold directly from AliExpress, and you can find it on AliExpress straight away from here. You can see the ad copy. You can see how many likes the ad has gotten, how many comments, and how many shares, lots of shares. And you can see the different emojis and what they are as pertaining to engagement. There are other features that you can see and track the product, but that would require you to increase your level of account. I'm at the premium level, which is already quite expensive, but you'll be able to get even more in-depth information if that's what's needed. The cool thing about this is that you can also see the audience age, so depending on who and what you are targeting, and you can see the difference between females and males, and you can see which country this ad is being advertised under or advertised to. But most importantly, you can also click on the website that is advertising or the account that is advertising this product. Most definitely, this is a dropshipping website, and as you can see, these are the images that probably the seller has gotten directly from AliExpress, which is fine, or Alibaba even. And as you can see, they're selling it for $37.88. And you can just get a product idea and figure out whether or not this product could be not necessarily the same exact product, but if this product could be, or the product idea could be a good idea on Amazon. So let's move on to Amazon. Now, this is where it becomes a little bit difficult because on Amazon, we search for products a little bit differently than we do probably on Minea or even in e-commerce in general. However, I tried a few keywords, and you might need to try a few keywords, and I tried vegetable chopper, and I got some interesting products. Let's use Helium 10 in order to identify whether or not there's sales for this product and this category. So I'm using X-ray from Helium 10. And as always, I want to remove any ads. Now I can click on filter results and say hide sponsored products from results. And then it's just going to remove all of the sponsored. And generally speaking, I always like to look at sales per unit or revenue. So in this case, I'm just going to click on sales per unit, click twice, and I'm getting the highest to lowest. So the highest is Black & Decker. However, this is, I believe, not a manual chopper. This is an automatic, like a electrical chopper. So it's selling at 96 dirhams, but definitely much easier to sell because it's a very recognized brand, the Black & Decker brand. And it not only does what the product that we saw previously does, it's just a general mincer and all of that stuff. But this one is very, very similar to the one that we just saw. However, selling at 31 dirhams, it is quite low, but it's selling 339 units per month and generating only 10,500 dirhams per month because of the low price, but still very, very good, very interesting. These are options that are quite different. This is also very similar to the one that we just saw at 20 dirhams. So you can obviously see that this is a really popular product. However, maybe based on the selling prices, wouldn't be such a great product to get into, but that's something else. Here, we're just focusing on figuring out if Minea is able to provide you some product ideas, yes or no, and clearly, straight away, we were able to find an idea. Now, AdSpy provides you exactly as it says, AdSpy. It spies on ads. Let's click on TikTok ads. The reason why I want to show you this particular feature is that because you can search per country. So let's go down and let us search for United Arab Emirates. Obviously, there's a lot of other features, and I would suggest that you use advanced features so that you can figure out and really try to identify and spot some interesting products. And as you can see, I'm looking at all of the ads that are being right now, the ads that are on TikTok targeting the UAE market. And not only that, I can actually see, like this is an ad I see all the time for Remarkable. So you can actually see how many shares, how many likes, and how many plays, so that you can try to identify whether or not this could be a potential product that has a lot of demand, or if it's a product that you might also be able to sell on Amazon yourself after you do the research on Amazon, of course. Same thing for Pinterest ads and same thing for Facebook ads. Now, another really cool feature from Minea called Shops. So if you have a shop that you really like to shop from, an online store, of course, or if you're looking for a particular product that went viral today, as an example, you can basically try to spy on that store and identify a few things. So let's look at a really well-known store, which is Iowa, one of the very well-known eyewear stores in the UAE. And I can click here and I can actually spy on the store, and I can see how many Facebook ads they're running, TikTok ads, Pinterest ads, if they have any influencer marketing, and I can kind of track their sales. If you upgrade to the business, you can find out a lot of other information from them. So it is a really cool idea if you have a store that you think is selling potential products that you like, then it could be a way where you can spy on that store. Now, if you don't have a store, back to the shop dashboard, you can also just ask Minea to find for you. So if you have a particular affection to something, like you want a WooCommerce store or a Wix store or a Shopify store, but mostly I think you're going to be using the category. So if you're thinking of selling, for example, pet food and supplies, or sporting goods, or women's clothes. So you can actually try to figure out if there's a store that has anything that is selling that has went viral today. Let's actually click on went viral today. So I'm able to see the stores, and I'm also able to see the audience country, and also able to see how the store went viral and based on which platform. So as you can see here, it's mostly Facebook for these top 4, and a lot of other products. Quite interesting how much information you can find so easily, and from such a really cool tool that really does do spying on your behalf. If you enjoyed watching this video, I'm sure you're going to also enjoy watching this video right here. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.